It's a trap. The moment someone tries to get you to say yes, your brain automatically raises a red flag. People are used to being tricked into saying yes. So over time, they built a mental shield to protect themselves from deals that feel like a setup. The trick in sales, don't ask for a yes first. Instead, get them to say no. This makes them feel in control. Once they feel safe, then ask the yes question to close the deal. This way, you sneak past the defense they've built and make the sale without them feeling pressured.